Okay guys, here we go with another official shoe unboxing. This is the first time that I'm unboxing this shoe with you guys. The shoe just came in. I'm just as excited to see it as hopefully you guys are. So entrepreneur family, here we go with another one. Okay, entrepreneur family, so as you can see, it comes in a cardboard box. This has a BWI where it was shipped into my city. Has some tape that's basically taping and helping the box stay sealed. This was the shipping address and shipping packaging. And once again, you could probably ship this product straight out like this. So obviously you wouldn't be able to send it directly to your customer, unfortunately, because it's going to have some of your personal information from this particular distributor. But nevertheless, you can get this and then ship this out to your customer right in this box here. Put your own labeling in it, and you should be able to once again have this shoe appear that it is coming from a professional company, which it is, but unfortunately it's not coming straight from your company. So without further ado, let's get this thing cut on the side. And it's taped up pretty good, so that's definitely going to ensure that the shoe doesn't come out of the box. And I'm okay with that. Looks like we have another more official shoe box that's going to be inside. And let's see what the opening of this box is going to look like. So off the top, if you watch the other video, we don't see any logos on the top of the box at all. Let's see on the side. You do get an image, basically a profile of the shoe. It gives you the size 9 and it says men. So I think that is a cool option to have on the shoe. Looks like you have a mouth opening here on the box, and it is held by some magnets, so that's cool. Nothing on that side there, nothing on that side there. So for the price of this shoe, and I'll get to that later, I do think they should have been able to place your logo on the side of the box, as well as some other information that you would see on a typical shoe box. But without further ado, here we go. So far I do like the packaging, and here's the shoe. Singly wrapped in paper, and there you guys go. This is the Charm City Runner, and this is patent leather, which I did not know. I just thought this would be regular leather. It's patent leather, so already that's going to be a disappointment. You do see the logo here. It does have some sort of plastic over it so that you can't damage the logo there. This is going to be leather here, which I'm cool with. Regular shoestrings. This is like an elastic that's over the shoe, which I thought is a cool look. But already I'm not liking the patent leather here. As you can see, a nice rubber sole to the outside of the sole. There, and what do we have there? Can't really tell what that is. But here we go, guys. A sneak peek box opening. And already I like this shoe overall, but this here, I don't know if I can do the patent leather. Okay, family, so let's get into the inside of the shoe. So you do have some paper stuffing, and it's a little more inside of there. That is at the front. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says made in Italy. So these shoes are handmade, and they're made, you know, one at a time, per the distributor, and they are made in Italy. And let's get into the sole. Feels like a very thick and stable sole. So once again, very thick sole. The quality feels pretty good. And then as you guys can see, it says made in Italy there, and it has the color of the Italian flag on it. Kind of reminds you of the Italian flag, as it should. But you can already start to kind of see that peeling off just from me pulling it off. So once again, I am satisfied with the quality of this shoe. One thing that I will say, unfortunately, for the price per shoe, and there are no wholesale or bulk order discounts for this particular shoe. So you do get the logo there. I would have preferred to have the logo also on the tongue, front of the tongue here, or if they was able to place the logo on his back area here, which gives you more chances to basically brand the shoe. Once again, for the price, I don't think that would have been anything hard to do. So I do like the shoe. The quality feels good. The patent leather is something that I will have to, I guess, get used to. But I definitely wish, once again, they would have been able to add the logo here, because that's where most people tend to see a logo or a branded shoe, or once again, somewhere here and on the sole. You know, typically when you buy your shoes from any of your big distributors, Nike, Adidas, Puma, whatever, they'll have the logo on the sole, most definitely the logo on the tongue area, and then they may have the logo in a place like here, as you see, which we do have here, but then maybe here. I would have actually preferred to have this logo placed in this area here. But all in all, I believe that the build quality is definitely A1. As you guys can see, it's a really nice rubber sole. We will get into the price. Once you guys hear the price, you may be a little bit skeptical about it. But for this particular shoe, it is going to be all handmade in Italy. So you're going to have Italian leather all the way around. So this portion in this area here is leather. This black is leather. And then this wraps around the upper. That's going to be leather there. This part is going to be leather. This is a breathable material here. And then we're going to have the elastic going across. And then here is like a leather. It's not leather. Here you're going to have like an Italian patent leather. And obviously the sole is very good rubber feeling. It's going to be adorable sole. And they just kind of threw like some regular shoestrings here. I think they kind of did something a little bit better with the shoestrings. But that's the shoe, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't checked out my other videos, please like and subscribe. Check out the other videos. Make sure you throw a like on there. Make sure you throw a comment on there. Once again, this is an entrepreneur channel centered more around clothing and shoes and how to build your own brands and companies that you can use to build your brand. So this is a company here that I wound up finding online. It is a company that's going to basically help you create a shoe that you can brand and sell on your own. But I don't know, I kind of have mixed feelings about this shoe.
Up there. Let's go. Yeah. Thank the holy trio. I feel like CEO. I'm about to live my dream.